Pressure to reduce CO2 emissions globally are every government's agenda. Shared mobility is one of the most sustainable driver of it. But the industry is haunted by vandalism and misbehavior. This type of customer misbehavior leads to the situation where car-sharing segment has to close service, and for public transport segment it causes extra costs. The attractiveness of public transport is too low, and graffiti removal causes delays and costs millions of dollars. For example, Autolib in Paris closed their car-sharing service due to a large amount of damage to vehicles and high maintenance costs. AIVisionEye has developed the state-of-art TravelClean and Fresh solution for shared mobility, which combines the following two systems. TravelClean and Fresh consists of a wide-angle camera unit and an odor detector installed on the ceiling of the vehicle. The camera captures pictures of the interior, and an odor detector sweeps the car for suspicious odors. The data is sent to a remote server via the vehicle's Wi-Fi or 4G connection. The captured data is processed with machine learning algorithms, which evaluate whether the passengers have left trash or valuables inside. Also, events of vandalism and misbehavior are analyzed. After processing, the resulting information and alerts are generated automatically to the vehicle operator's maintenance systems or any other third-party applications if maintenance or cleaning services are needed. Our solution makes traveling a more pleasant experience. It also helps you to save your operating expenses. Your virtual eye and nose, AIVisionEye,